Today we're going to check on it's about a 44,000 bushel bin here. We're going to check on the grain that's stored in there. You get rain or snow, all kinds of things can happen inside of these. This one's going to get delivered in March, so we want to get in there and make sure the grain's in good condition. This is the inside of the grain bin. And here we are. This bin we've cored already. And you see we've kind of dug around here just to try to get this grain to dry evenly. Little white tail of grain is if you sink in up to your knees. But it's dry. This is the highest part of the bin, so it really should be all after dry. We're not quite going up to our knees, but we're going up to almost our knees. So I think we're getting close. We will take a sample out of here and take it to the elevator and see exactly what it is. But right now we're just looking for any storage related issues, snow that might have blown in. Yeah, it looks pretty good. This is about a 44,000 bushel bin. It's probably got about 20,000 left in it. People say, what are you looking for in here? Just making sure everything's staying okay. Once in a while these grain bins will go bad if you didn't run the fans long enough or if the corn is too wet. So, and people say, why? Well, if you had a $120,000 to $210,000 check laying on the bottom of the bin, wouldn't you go check on it once in a while? So that's why we're here. Anytime I'm in here, I wear a respirator because I will cough for weeks if I don't.